Okay, today I'm gonna change it. This is my shower faucet valve. So as you see, there's some leaking, and this valve completely stuck, cannot turn. I don't know what's wrong. So I already took it off this thing. So I'll show you the other one. Just to remove this cap. And screw in there. Alright. Actually, pretty well comes out good because they put on the grease previous. I think plumber did a good job. And this one, this also he put some grease to came out easily to maintenance. That's good. And take out this one and this one, turn around, take out. Like this. So I take out this thing. Alright. The other side, same thing. So I bought today shower valve socket wrench set at the Harbor Freight, $9.99. And to remove this valve, you gotta make sure you shut up your main water valve. Alright, so don't make your house flood. Alright, I just want to make sure there are some leftover water in the system, so I just open the valve. There's some sound that comes out. So there are two nuts, 1, 2. So turn around. So then don't want to trip the my inside my water valve stem is like this. Looks like. See the other side. So I took it off from my shower valve faucet. One side it looks like working a little bit, but still leaking, seriously leaking from here. And the one is completely shut. So I'll bring this one to the Lowe's or Home Depot, and I'm gonna maybe buy a whole unit. Maybe some people just replace just inside whatever you need, but I think too much work for me, so just I'll buy whole unit. Alright, I went to Lowe's, but they didn't have this valve stem, and I went to local plumber shop and I found out this valve brand name is Gerber. So I paid total one each like 28 bucks, and I got the plumber's grease. Alright, so and let's see it works or not. So I got the Gerber. This was Gerber Shower Faucet Valve Stems. So this plastic gasket is here. You can see in here. We'll change this one for sure. Alright. Take it out. Yep, come on. Popped up like this. Alright, press the door in, and then okay, that's it. So only place is this one. I don't know, you can see on the replaced limb. Have the new limb over here on both sides, the white limb. So maintenance purpose later, if something problem to take out, I just put some grease for the jam up later. So I greased up, alright, on the thread. So let's see. So we replaced washer, but new washer was too thick, so was has some issues, problems, was leaking. So I used just old washer. That's it. That's good enough, I think. So I turn on the main water. Now I wanna check working or not. There are leakage or not. No leaking. So far, no leaking. I use over. So turn on. Water is coming out. Alright. And at the other side, looks like always some different direction. Turn on. Water is coming out. And this works. Alright. And then we just reassemble. So let's finish now. This is soaked up maybe 1 hour. Yeah, a little bit cleaned up, but still. Oh, I need to put the grease on it. Let's put the grease. Apply grease. Yeah, cold and cold. Alright, that's good. Hot water, cold water. Looks good. Was it leaking before here? No, no leaking, brand new one. Alright, that's done.